Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is 18 home remedies for itchy skin and ways to prevent it. Itchiness is the desire to scratch your skin. The itch may be in a specific place or all over the body. Sometimes, hives or a rash appear along with itching. Dryness, allergies, insect bites, and underlying medical conditions are frequently the causes of itchy skin, also known as pruritus, which makes you want to scratch. Itchy skin can be inconvenient and annoying, but home remedies such as essential oils, wet wraps, and colloidal oatmeal can help. Here are 18 home remedies for itchy skin and ways to prevent it. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a natural plant with healing and calming characteristics and anti-inflammatory and antibacterial capabilities. It contains vitamin E, which helps to reduce skin dryness and itching. For generations, aloe vera has been used to soothe and moisturize the skin, offering rapid relief for sensitive skin. Apply 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel to irritating regions. Leave on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with water. 2. Baking soda bath. Because of its anti-inflammatory effects and alkaline composition, baking soda is a natural cure for itching. It soothes the skin by reducing inflammation and itching and acting as a natural acid neutralizer, delivering immediate relief. It is not, however, suggested for open wounds, traumas, or severe infections. Once a day, dissolve a cup of baking soda in warm water, soak for 15-20 minutes, then pat dry your skin. Avoid baking soda baths if you have open wounds, injuries, or severe infections. 3. Coconut oil. High in medium-chain fatty acids, coconut oil contains antihistamine and anti-inflammatory effects that help relieve irritation and dry skin. It is a common home medicine for emergency care. After a lukewarm bath, pat dry and massage afflicted areas with coconut oil. If itching, massage the oil all over the body daily. Coconut oil is a common household item that may be useful as a home treatment for pruritus. 4. Use gentle cold therapy. Cool water applied to nerve fibers responsible for cold and itching sensations can soothe itchy skin. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends using a cool, moist cloth or an ice pack for 5-10 minutes to relieve inflammation. It would help to store moisturizing creams and lotions in the refrigerator for immediate cooling. Applying cold compresses, such as ice packs, to problematic areas for a few minutes and repeating daily for quick relief will help calm irritating skin. 5. Moisturize with Shea Butter. Shea Butter, a well-known folk treatment for itchy skin, contains nourishing and moisturizing characteristics that can help relieve itching. Although no clinical trials have been undertaken, it is a famous folk treatment for itching skin. 6. Take an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salts, high in magnesium, help improve skin barrier function and reduce inflammation. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath, soak for 15 minutes, then rinse with water and apply moisturizer. 7. Use neem leaves. Neem leaves have long been used as a skin healer due to their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics. They can be used as a paste or oil, applied overnight, or by boiling a few leaves in water for 15 minutes and adding it to bath water. 8. Apply honey. Honey contains natural humectants, which protect the skin from drying out and reduce itching. It also possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities, which help to relieve irritation and prevent skin infections. To use, warm honey and apply it to itching areas, leaving it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing with water. Repeat 1 to 2 times each day. Honey is necessary for good skin. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 9. Applying menthol. Menthol oil, an essential oil extracted from mint plants, has been shown to alleviate pain and irritation. A study in 2012 that looked into the usefulness of peppermint oil in relieving itchy skin in pregnant women. Participants were placed into two groups. One received sesame oil infused with 0.5% peppermint oil, while the other received a sesame and olive oil mixture. The peppermint-infused oil significantly reduced itch severity. It is best to dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them. 10. Sesame seed oil. Sesame oil, which is high in antioxidants, is good for the skin because it reduces inflammation. It can relieve skin redness and irritation. Apply sesame oil to problematic regions after showering or massage it all over your body daily or alternatingly. After showering or massaging, apply the oil. 11. Mint. Menthol, found in mint leaves, has anti-inflammatory and anesthetic effects that can help soothe itchy and inflamed skin. To use this cure, boil 500 milliliters of water with a handful of mint leaves, drain the solution, and soak a cotton ball. Apply the cotton ball to the affected areas and reapply it 1 to 2 times daily for immediate relief from itchy skin. 12. Lemon. To relieve itching. 1. Squeeze lemon juice into a cotton pad and dip it in the extract. 2. Apply to irritating areas, allow to dry, and then rinse with water. 3. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the juice with water. 4. For best results, repeat twice daily. 13. Fenugreek Seeds. The anti-inflammatory qualities of fenugreek seeds help to relieve itching and inflammation. They also contain antibacterial qualities, which help to soothe rashes and eliminate skin problems. Soak 1–2 cups of fenugreek seeds in water for an hour before grinding them into a paste, applying it to the body, and allowing it to dry before washing off. For optimal results, repeat this method at least 3 times every week. 14. Almond Oil. Almond oil is a natural cure that relieves irritation and hydrates skin. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-itch qualities can hasten the healing of itchy, inflamed skin. Apply almond oil to the affected regions after a shower daily. 15. Olive oil. Because of its polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory qualities and help relieve itching, olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants and moisturizing benefits. It is also a fantastic moisturizing oil, keeping the skin from drying and itching. To use, apply olive oil to affected areas after showering, being sure to do so once a day to lock in moisture. 16. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil, which is high in menthol, is an effective home treatment for itching and inflammation of the skin. Combine 2–3 drops of peppermint oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and apply to affected areas 1 to 2 times daily. 17. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is famous for treating various skin conditions because of its inherent antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory characteristics. It can treat acne, warts, boils, irritating skin, and rashes. To use, blend 2–3 drops of tea tree oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil, then apply to irritating skin. This mixture should be used at least once per day. 18. Garlic. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics, garlic is used to cure skin and health issues such as pruritus. Applying garlic oil to itchy skin might help maintain hydration and avoid more itching. To create this, mince garlic cloves and infuse them in olive oil overnight. Apply the oil to the affected areas the next day and leave it on for 20–30 minutes before rinsing with water. It should be done at least once every day. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.